Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Microsoft Office with product key step by step clearly. To activate Microsoft Office with your product key, first, open any Microsoft Office application on your computer. This could be Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. When the application opens, look for the option that says Activate or Enter Product Key. If prompted, click on Activate to proceed. Next, you will see a window asking for your product key. Your product key is usually a 25-character code formatted as 5 sets of 5 characters. Type your product key into the designated area carefully. Ensure you enter all characters correctly, including any dashes. After entering the key, click on the Next button. The system will now verify your product key. This may take a few moments. Once verification is complete, you will be informed whether the key is valid. If the product key is valid, you will see an activation message. Click Finish to complete the activation process. If the product key is not valid, ensure that you have entered it correctly. If you continue to experience issues, consult Microsoft's support page for further assistance. After activation, your Office applications will be fully functional. You can now enjoy all the features of Microsoft Office. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.